Ever wrestled with the discomfort of constipation and wished for a natural remedy that could lend a helping hand? Imagine if the solution could be as simple as incorporating a single ingredient into your diet. An ingredient that's readily available, easy to use, and packed with health benefits. Enter flaxseed, a humble superfood that might just be the answer to your prayers. Flaxseed, also known as linseed, is a rich source of dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans. These components work in harmony to boost digestive health and alleviate constipation. The high fiber content in flaxseed adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, have anti-inflammatory properties that help keep the gut healthy. Meanwhile, lignans contribute to gut health by acting as antioxidants. But as with any powerful remedy, it's essential to approach flaxseed with a healthy respect and understanding. To reap its benefits without experiencing any undesirable side effects, follow these key precautions. Firstly, do not underestimate the power of hydration. Flaxseed's high fiber content works best with plenty of water, so make sure you're staying properly hydrated throughout the day, especially when you increase your intake of flaxseed. Secondly, patience is a virtue. If flaxseed is new to your diet, start with small amounts. Gradually increase the dosage over time to allow your digestive system to adjust. If you dive headfirst into a high flaxseed diet, you might end up with bloating, gas, or even diarrhea. Lastly, be mindful of medication interactions. Flaxseed, especially in supplement form or in large quantities, may interact with certain medications such as blood thinners, hormone therapies, or cholesterol-lowering drugs. It's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before you start adding flaxseed to your diet, particularly if you're on any prescription medications. In conclusion, flaxseed presents a natural and effective solution for constipation and overall digestive health. By incorporating ground flaxseed oil, or flaxseed water into your daily routine, you can harness the power of this superfood. But remember, moderation is key, and it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Flaxseed could be the answer to your constipation woes, but it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool to be used wisely and responsibly as part of a balanced, health-conscious lifestyle. So, give flaxseed a try and open the door to a world of digestive health benefits.